Today all we are going to lecture you on interior lighting, just briefly, you know. So let's go on. It may not really take much of our time because we just want to see how which is better, what kind of light is better to use in your interior designs, on Lumion. So just go directly to our Lumion, find our way inside any of this room or the sitting room, whichever one you can go into now. So let's find our way inside this room. So we are here now. What we are looking at is two staircases. This is our staircase. If you want to light up, if you want to put up light here, you want to light up here. Let's go to lights. This kind of lights, you double click on it. Double click on it. Let's use this. Put up. You put it up here. You see how it is looking like. You see how it's looking like. Let's go to our property. You click on it. When you click on it, you brighten it and see. Let's go through. You can see how it is, how the light is. So no matter how it is, you want to widen it. Whichever one you want to take, this is how it will look like. But I don't think it's best we use this in our lights. So let's delete it. Let's delete this. So we go to our light again. We go to our light again. Look on it. We use this. Let's use one of these. We can use this. You can see how bright it is. So the best to use in your interior is this spotlights. This homemade lights, the spotlights. This is the best. You can also use this. Let's go back. You can also use this and click on this, I think, and see which is best to use in our interior. You can see it. So I think the best you can use is, you can see it. So let's remove this and try the other one. can see how bright it is. So the best you can use in your interior design is that full is light fill. That's the best you can use in your interior design. So you can see it has brightened up the whole place. This, we put this. You can see it. You can see how bright it is. You can see how bright it is. So this is the best to use when it comes to interior. You make the place so bright, you know. So let's see ourselves in any of this room. Let's go directly to this room. So that's the best. It's the best way to use. Thank you so much for watching. We just made this video too. We just made this short, so we just know if you want to have a realistic picture of your interior design, the best light you can use is a light fill. Thank you so much.